In Europe, from our customers, we're understanding the impatience of their consumers. Be it a bank or a university, people want information now and they want it quickly. People have to make sure that their network infrastructure is there to support those demands. Today, our mobile phone is for phone calls, text messages and emails. Tomorrow, it will be our personal assistant, organizing our day-to-day activities. These types of demands are putting a tremendous amount of emphasis on organizations' infrastructure. People want flexibility. A good example of this is FIFA. When they first released their game on the Xbox, the amount of demand or bandwidth they required to meet the popularity of the game was far greater than it would be 6 months later. Businesses need to scale that very easily, and a pay-as-you-go approach to the way you operate your data center is a necessity. The second trend is bandwidth, and we see that as fiber in the data center. We've seen fiber growing in the data center for many years. We've done a lot of development at CommScope to meet the demands of the customer as it relates to bandwidth with the recent release of OM5 multi-mode fiber. The OM5 multi-mode fiber brings further density and greater speeds from 10 gig to 100 gig within the data center. Only recently we installed our very first OM5 project in the UK for a large financial organization. And the third trend we're seeing in Europe is the further adoption of public cloud. Initially, public cloud was for startups and small businesses, but as the organizations have become more comfortable with a cloud platform, we're now seeing large corporates adopt public cloud infrastructure as a part of their data center strategy. Many years ago, large organizations were quite nervous around going into co-location facilities and also using the private cloud. We're starting to see those walls drop, and due to that, there are large expansions taking place across all of Europe as it relates to public cloud infrastructure. Come by the CommScope stand at Data Center World. We'd love to see you and answer any questions you may have.